Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 10 best soldering stations for precision work and rework tasks. So, let's start. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 10. YIHUA A995DI Upgraded Nozzle Easy Plug Pull Hot Air Rework Station. The YIHUA A995DI is an upgraded hot air rework station with a large digital display. Its easy plug-pull nozzle design ensures convenient operation. With a 110W soldering iron station, it provides reliable performance for a variety of soldering and rework tasks. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 9. Original JBC CD2 BHUF Soldering Station. The JBC CD2 BHUF soldering station is a precision intelligent rework tool equipped with a C245 soldering iron tip, specifically designed for repairing mobile phones. Its advanced features make it a reliable choice for professionals seeking precision in their soldering tasks. At number 8. 110D/220V 1000W Original Quick 861DW Heat Gun. The Quick 861DW heat gun is a powerful 1000W lead-free hot air welding station, suitable for various soldering and rework applications. Its original design and large digital display make it a convenient and efficient tool for professionals. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 7. Sugan T60 Soldering Station. The T60 Soldering Station by Sugan is a double-station welding rework station compatible with 115, 210, and 245 handles. Ideal for BGA and PCB repair tools, this station offers reliable performance and efficient soldering capabilities. At number 6. ATTEN ST862D Precision Hot Air Gun Soldering Station. The ST862D soldering station by ATTEN is a precision hot air gun rework station with intelligent digital display, providing 1000W of power for phone PCB and chip repair. Its advanced features make it a reliable choice for intricate soldering tasks. iUNI T3B Smart Nano Soldering Station. The T3B Smart Nano Soldering Station by iUNI, featuring T115 and T210 handles, is a rapid welding rework station designed for mobile phone, SMD, BGA, and PCB repair. Its smart technology ensures efficient and precise soldering, making it a valuable tool for electronics professionals. At number 4. PS1C Miniware Cordless Soldering Station. This cordless soldering station by Miniware, equipped with Bluetooth 4.2 technology and a high-efficient supercapacitor, offers 45W of power for SMD repair. Its portable design and advanced technology make it a convenient choice for rework projects. At number 3. Sugan T30602 Soldering Station. The T30602 soldering station by Sugan features double stations with 115 and 210 tips, making it suitable for cell phone PCB, SMD, and IC repairs. It's a reliable solder tool designed to meet the demands of intricate soldering tasks. At number 2. iPhone A9 Pro Soldering Station. The A9 Pro soldering station compatible with original soldering iron tips such as 210, 245, and 115 handles, offers precise temperature control for welding and rework tasks. This tool is ideal for various applications, providing versatility in soldering projects. At number 1. AIFEN A902 Soldering Station. This double-station welding rework station by AIFEN, equipped with C115, C210, and C245 handles, is designed for precision soldering in cell phone PCB and IC repair. The soldering tools provide efficient temperature control, ensuring reliable and precise results.